In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Messenger in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to go to the chat section right here, and then I want you to click on Facebook chat. That will take you to the Facebook Messenger chat widget page. From here, I want you to click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the Messenger chat template section. So on the left hand side, as you can see, you have a bunch of different Messenger chat templates they can choose from, and then on the right hand side you have a fully interactive preview of what the selected template will feel like on your Wix website. Now bear in mind that these templates are not final in terms of design or functionality. We can actually change pretty much anything that you can see on the screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But yeah, for now, simply go ahead and choose the one that you like the most. In my case, I think this one looks pretty good, so I'm going to go for this one, and then I want you to click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this section, which is where we need to connect the widget to your Facebook profile. That way, when somebody types a message on your Wix website into this widget here, you will receive the message directly to your Messenger, and that way we can chat with the person that is using your widget right here on the right hand side. To connect your Facebook account with the widget, simply click on this button right here and follow these steps. It's very easy. Once you've done that, on the left hand side you'll see content, settings and appearance. These are all the settings that you can take advantage of to customize your widget. So for example, here you have the bubble icon. In this case, this is the little paper plane icon that you see right here. You can click on this and obviously just change it, remove it. You can do a bunch of things. You can change the bubble text here. You can hide or show the chat window from Facebook page. Let me just open it up to show you what I mean. So if you do this, and then if you do that, as you can see, it changes to this person here. So you can have a custom one if you want to the person that will be supporting your customers. Then at the bottom here you have some settings such as position, chat display settings, open chat triggers and notifications. So if you go to positions right here, and then at the moment it's a floating bubble, which means that it will follow the user with the screen. However, you can also embed it if you want to. So if you click on this here and then choose embed chat window, that basically allows you to embed this particular box anywhere on your Wix website. And yeah, so yeah, in my case I'm going to go for the floating bubble here, and I'll just leave it as is. You can change the position here if you want to, just like that. Then you have appearance. This is all the colors and fonts and pretty much anything that you see here. This is where the colors are changed up. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your Messenger widget, all you have to do is go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your widget will be saved up, and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see this green publisher button. I want you to click on it, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. To bear in mind that it does come with some Elfsight branding, so if you want your widget to be completely ad-free, if you want to have any of these additional functionalities here, such as adding collaborators or using more than one widget on your Wix website from Elfsight, then you can obviously go for one of their premium plans. They have quite a few different options they could choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, in my case, I'm going to go for the free plan because I'm making a tutorial video, so in this case it doesn't matter. But yeah, once you've started the plan that works best for you, it will then automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can copy the code for your Messenger chat widget. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now let's go back to the editor here. I want you to go into the editor of your Wix website, and I want you to click on the search button right here in the top right corner. Click on search and then search for HTML. Then I want you to click on embed here, and that will open up this window here on the left hand side of the screen. Click on embed HTML, and that is going to add an HTML block to your Wix website. From here, simply paste the code we just copied in Elfsight, then click on update. Then what you want to do is go ahead and position it where you want it to be on your Wix website, just like this, unless you've selected the option where the positioning of it is predetermined to be like in the bottom right corner or anywhere else. Also, when you're resizing the widget, make sure to leave plenty of space just like this, so that when somebody clicks on the button, the actual page of the widget can open up. So let's go ahead and preview the website and see what it looks like. Here it is. If I just click on this right here, as you can see, the chat opens up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to embed Messenger in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.